I can't say welcome today. Welcome back. My name is Nisha and this is my channel where I show you tips and tricks on how to live a more compassionate life for the earth, the animals, and yourself. So if that interests you, go ahead, click that subscribe button. So today I thought it would be really fun to share a little recipe with you guys. I'm going to be doing like a what I eat in the day with all the other vegan view girls. I think it's gonna be really fun. We're doing like one solid video of like all of our what I eat in the days. And I just wanted to release this a little earlier so you guys can get the recipes. So at the end of the week, we've been doing this little thing where we like clean out all of our vegetables and stuff that we haven't eaten, because we do buy a lot of vegetables in bulk at the beginning of the week, and then sometimes they don't get all used up. And since we don't like to waste food, like me and my boyfriend, we get really stressed out when we waste food. So we started making this Thai curry dish, and we'll pour it over noodles in this case, or rice, or whatever. Super good. If you want to like water it down with a little veggie broth and just eat it as a soup, it's also good. I don't know, I thought it would be really helpful, especially if you are interested in one, not creating more waste, food waste out here, or two, it's really like a money saver as long as you have a little bit of the Thai curry paste and a can of coconut milk. You can use whatever you have laying around in your fridge, or even frozen veggies, because I know those can be cheaper. And if I have any leftover tofu, potatoes, anything, I'll throw them at the end of the week. So every week you get kind of a different curry with the same base, and I think it's super helpful in like really cleaning out your refrigerator. Since we really like Thai food, it saves us a lot of money if we make it at home. So I hope you guys like it, and let's get into the video. So I start off with about 1 diced white onion, and I saute that with 3 cloves of garlic that I have chopped up, and 1 inch of fresh grated ginger with a little water or oil, whatever you're into, until translucent. Then I add whatever veggies I have sitting around in my fridge in the order of what takes the longest to cook. This week I had some old bell pepper, carrots, broccoli, and zucchini that were like, please eat us before we rot, please. I add 1 can of full fat coconut milk and 2 tablespoons of red curry paste with a 1/2 cup of water and 1.5 tablespoons of tamari soy sauce, and I mix that together until I get a curry broth. But you can also add sugar if you like sweeter curry, but I don't and I won't because I'm a salty. Once the broth thickened, I added spinach because calcium is good for you, and then I served it over these hot ramen noodles I cooked separately. Whoops, this is vegan, and it should serve like I think 4 to 5 people, but my boyfriend eats like 4 or 5 people, so it only serves us 2. But you probably don't eat a trough of food. Maybe you do. Maybe that's why you're subscribed to my channel, because you can relate. But thanks, that's it. Goodbye. All right, guys, I hope you found that helpful. I don't know, it's nice to have a little fridge. It's nice to have a little fridge cleaner recipe tossed in there, besides like, you know, your traditional soups and stuff like that, soups and stews. And I thought a curry is such a cool take on that, and I hadn't realized we had been doing that, and I really wanted to share it with you guys. Let me know down in the comments below if you guys have any other ways you like to make sure you don't waste food or clean out your fridge at the end of the week. Any creative ideas, because I love to read them, and I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time in a new video. Bye!
What do you eat? What about meat? What about protein? What about cheese?